Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can get a live HTML preview in Visual Studio Code. So let's jump right into the video, and if this video will help you, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate that. And also now once you open Visual Studio Code, you have to go to here, View Extensions, okay? Click on this extensions button here. You can also use the shortcut control shift and X, okay? Control shift and X, and here in the search bar write live server, okay? Please write live server, enter, and here click on the first option, one that has like around $30 million, even more if you're watching this video later. Okay, and then click install. Okay, click on the install button. Here we have the install button. Click on the install button, wait a couple of seconds, and now if you have a code here, just go to view, command palette, and live server, and now here you can see what you did. Okay, your code. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.